Hey, how's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. It's a frosty, cold morning here at the camp, but it's some pretty. So I just want to take you for a little quick trip around the camp and show you just the sort of wilderness we live in out here. First of all, I don't know, I hope you can see, there's frost everywhere. I'd say 100% frost today, and Nanny still has a few things left in her garden. Some lettuce, some beets, big bit of carrots down there. But they're pretty frosty this morning. But check this scene over here. The camp, the white roof, the sun breaking over the treetops, smoke coming straight up the chimney. Looking down from our patio down to the lake. The lake is just like glass, and there's some vapor, mist hanging over the lake. And there's our ramp, and I put some roofing shingles on it here to give us some extra traction, especially for days like today where it's frosty. But just look at that lake, folks. God was having a good day when He created this place. So thank you, God, for that, and for all the blessings You give us daily. Just beautiful. The sun just coming over the treetops and lighting up the lake. I wish I could paint, because that would be worth painting that picture down there. Alright, so I don't want to bore you with a bunch of just pictures of around the camp. I feel like I'm bragging when I do that. I don't like to brag, but it sure is nice. I have to say that. Anyways, folks, she's chilly here this morning. I think it's -4, but there's no wind, so it's perfect. It's beautiful. Alright, hope you enjoyed this quick little frosty view of our camp. And I hope you're warm where you're staying, but it's some nice heat here, I'll tell you that. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.